If you had only 1 minute to learn anything about Instagram, what would it be? I'm Angélique Binet, founder of Social Media Love, and I help people like you who has a passion, who has a project, a business that you want to share with the world to get the skills and most of all the confidence that you deserve to show up online every day to nourish your online community. So let's make sure that we connect because I have a free stuff to give to you at the end of this video. So make sure that you connect with me at thism.me/socialmedialoveb. This is gonna bring you to my messenger, and then I'll be able to actually send you the bonuses that I prep for you and the other links that I'm gonna mention. So first thing first, always use hashtags on Instagram, because you know what? Hashtags are key in terms of search and to be found. And right now, actually, we can even open some feeds and follow hashtags on Instagram. So if you want a chance that your posts or your stories get into that hub on Instagram, you better use hashtags. And yes, you can use up to 11 hashtags in your stories and I think up to 25 in your feed, as well as on IGTV, everywhere. Location. Whether you post a story or a post in your feed, if you want more eyes to come to your post, especially if you are a local business, you have to put the location so that there is more people, traffic coming to your content. Talk to people. Yes, social media means to be social. So whether you write a new copy for a post or you set up a new story, there are so many features that allows you actually to ask questions or poll or survey. So use those to learn to know more about who's watching your content and are they your ideal customers. For an extra zest of engagement, what about you tag someone or another account? If you talk about someone else in your stories or in your posts, what about you tag them in the copy so that they get a notification that you're talking about them? Chances that they may share it too. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Finally, get a content calendar and a routine around your Instagram marketing. So that's why you need to download the one I prepped for you. And maybe you're ready to go further. And so if you are, I'm just opening an Instagram bootcamp for you guys. Just let me know. Click on the links in the description and you'll have all the information. And if you need more, contact me by private message. So if you've learned something, please let me know in the comments, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get my next video. À bientôt!